What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the battery out of a Jeep key. This is for my Jeep Grand Cherokee WK. I think these are the same as like some of the other Jeep models, but I'm not quite for sure, so don't quote me on that. Super easy, super simple process. All you need is like a butter knife, something to pry open the key, and then you just need the replacement batteries to CR2032. I got this at the dollar store for literally $1, so you only need one to come in packages too, but for $1, hey, save it for next time. So, all right, so pretty simple. The tab is on the bottom left side here if the key is facing down, so that right there. It's gonna get on up in it. Just kind of try to pry it up a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get underneath it right now. See, that kind of just popped up a little bit already. And it's going to kind of work the other side a little bit, and poof. Voila. So that's the inside of the key with all the technological stuff on it. Don't really care about that. Just put that off to the side. So then here, this is where the actual battery is. So pretty much just pull this tab out, honestly. It comes out like so. Take out the old battery, push it in from the back side. That's trash. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up, maybe.
12 seconds later.
How do you get these out?
1 eternity later.
All right, when in doubt, use the scissors. So I lied, you need one extra tool. You need scissors as well. So it's one of those dumb things where it's like sealed in between the packaging. So you're going to need to cut it to get it open, and then it falls out like that. So then all you got to do, put the battery with like the numbers and all that facing back down. So the numbers there are facing down in this contraption. And then all you do, reverse what you just did, taking it out. Fit her back in like that. See, good to go. And then we are just going to put the backing, or I guess you say the front of the key with all the buttons, just back over the top like so. You're in here, it kind of snap into place a little bit. And we are done, good to go. Like I said, super easy, plain and simple. Anybody could do it. If I could do it, you could do it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new and want to keep following my journey, and stay in touch with all my future videos. And am I missing anything? No, I don't think so. So yeah, do those things, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Later.